New vocabulary. Positive. Positive. Optimistic. Optimistic. People. People. It's fun. It's fun. Text 13. Hey, smile! This is David. He's very positive and optimistic. He never shouts. He always smiles. He likes people and people like him. He likes comedies. He prefers to watch comedies because it's fun. When he watches a comedy, he usually laughs a lot. City. Interesting. City. Interesting. To say that. Beautifully. To say that beautifully. To become. To become. Beautifully. Interesting. To become. City. To say that. Text 14. Hello, my name is Daniel. I am from Madrid, but I live in New York. I like New York. It's big and interesting. I prefer big cities. I don't like small cities. I play the guitar and sing professionally. People say that I sing and play the guitar very beautifully. I want to become a star.